On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don swear in new senior special assistant and special assistant. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don swear in new senior special assistants and special assistants. Make una come sabi say dis new senior special assistants and special assistants dem na pipo wey dem don do better check and see say dem put government work and Edo pipo life for mind as dem dey do their work. The SSAs and the SA na from 192 wards wey dey the 18 local government areas dem for Edo State. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki tok say no be im choose the new SA and SSA, but na dem executive for dem ward dem and local government na im choose dem, sake of say dem sabi the work wey dem dey do. E tok say im believe say dem no go fall their pipo hand wey choose dem, as dem work na to represent am for all the ward wey dey the state.
We are here for the swearing in of the newly appointed special assistants and senior special assistants. You have been chosen for this assignment from amongst your own people. I did not have any hand in the appointment of any of you. The ward executives of our party, the local government executives, are the ones who recommended you and nominated you for appointments. Therefore, you are responsible to our people in the various wards and local governments from which you were nominated.
We can see Governor tok say the new SSA and SA dem be ambassadors and make dem ready lis ten to the people as work dey ground well. E tok say on top the work wey Edo State government don do for 3 years now, say all this work e dey on top wetin Edo people want and na im make dem dey follow the name wey dem dey call let the people lead. E tell dem say im administration no get space for tiffy or mago and suegbe matter no go dey, as any person wey no do im work well go collect go your house go rest later.
We as a government, we have recorded significant achievements in the last 3 years, which we are very, very proud of. You must acquaint yourself with all the achievements which we have made and the plans which we have to serve our people in every local government area. When this dispensation came into government 12 years ago, we said our mantra is let the people lead. So my appeal to you is to represent us well in your wards and your local governments. Please, I'm begging you, serve your people. Uphold justice and never take sides with the oppressor. Once again, I charge you to uphold the ethical standards which this government and this administration is now known for. And I wish you well as you discharge your various assignments.
APC State Chairman Ansem Ojezua, e tok say Governor Obaseki dey put new style of politics enter government matter, as the new SSAs and SAs dem don do check well and see say dem loyal well and dem sabi their work for the party. E tok say if he use im hand take knack im chest, say dis SSAs dem go deliver their work well with people wey dey with dem for Edo State, and Edo State no go fit kpafuka with dis new people dem.
What is significant about this event is that Mr. Governor is introducing innovation into the politics of Edo State. Those of you who have been duly appointed are truly tried, tested, screened, refined, and found worthy. And therefore, I am satisfied that what I have before me in this hall represents the cream de la cream of all Progressive Congress activists. And I have the confidence that with people like you, there is no way this government can fall.
E tok say no be Governor Obaseki be the first governor wey people go dey test am or dey use mago and wahala take dey disturb am. E say but im wan tell people say Governor Obaseki qualify well to tanda as Edo State Governor for 2020. E con tok say with support of Edo people, as dem dey waka on top the talk say let the people lead, Baba God na im get power and no be person. Governor Obaseki na im go tanda well as Edo State governor.
Mr. Governor insists that if we started this journey on the basis of let the people lead, then the people must truly lead. This is not the first time the authority of a governor is being challenged in Edo State. Obaseki is no less qualified than any of the two. Rather, I believe that he is even the best qualified of all of them. So in all ramifications, I have no doubt in my mind that with your support, your cooperation, and your commitment, there is no way Obaseki will not get his second term.
Lucky Aigbe na im come talk for the new special assistant to Governor Godwin Obaseki as he talk how Bodi take sweet dem for the chance wey dem get to serve Edo State governor and Edo people. He come yarn am say dem dey governor back and dem support am well as e be say dem go dey with am to waka go the next level reach 2020.
To stand before you to say thank you very much, sir, on behalf of my colleagues, the special assistants that you have just inaugurated. We will support you in totality to take this state to the next level that you are planning to take it to. For this state, we shall be there 100% to give you our support and loyalty. Thank you very much, sir.
Honorable Ogedengbe na im talk for the new senior special assistant dem as he talk say dem support dey for Governor Godwin Obaseki may for carry Edo State waka far. Sake of say dem dey see the ogbonge work wey e dey do for Edo State and dem happy with am as dem ready join am carry Edo State waka well.
We are willing to be part of your innovation and we assure you that we will not let you down. We are very much aware that it took our words some effort to arrive at bringing the three names each from each of the words. And therefore, we assure you we are not going to let our people down nor let ourselves down. And I assure you there's no going back. There's no problem about any hiccup about 2020. It is given. And I assure you, I'm saying this based on the caliber of people that are working with you. They are tested and highly experienced politicians. They will go back, like you have directed, to go and work to assure the people that the best is yet to be seen in Edo State under your able leadership.
After they finish to dey swear in the new senior special assistant and special assistant dem for Edo State, dem come do wetin oyinbo dey call orientation and training for dem. This one na say make dem sabi the work wey dem go do. And na Edo State head of service Isaac Eyozua na im come follow dem talk as he yarn dem the work wey dem go do for the state as e be say na dem be wetin oyinbo dey call Edo State government ambassadors.
You are supposed to be the liaison person between government and the management of government assets in your community. You have schools, you have hospitals, healthcare, you have markets, name it, anything government, even on developed property of government. You are supposed to be the eye of government in that area. In this era of insecurity in the country, you are supposed to be the number one person to be the eye and the ear of government when it comes to security.
Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today as Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki he don swear in new senior special assistant and special assistant and these ones dem dey for the 192 wards with the 18 local government areas dem for Edo State. Make una come sabi say this clear and sharp informate wey dey reach una so na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una on top inside Edo. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and clear informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now visit follow us our enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. As our website sit down gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.